Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 8th of May. Let's get to that weather wisdom. So, we have an isolated shower in the forecast for today. What that means is that, we've got a lot of sunshine this morning. Clouds build this afternoon as some upper level energy comes across, and that could end up yielding a quick shower. Not a lot of moisture, but nevertheless, it is possible. We had a bit of rain, of course, to start the day yesterday, and we're going to have a little bit more to finish the day tomorrow. But today, basically, it's just a partly sunny day. By the way, we are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham, for all your garden needs. Check them out for that Mother's Day gift, especially if you want to get some perennials, maybe a small shrub, maybe you just want some annuals or even some vegetables. All right, so we head for tonight, mostly clear down towards 40. Tomorrow, rain developing in the afternoon, temperature in the lower 60s. That rain comes to an end Saturday night. And then Sunday, partly sunny skies, upper 60s to low 70s for Mom. I can't rule out a sprinkle, but it's unlikely. Similar to today, just like a 20% chance of a little sprinkle. Monday, showers return, mostly before 5 or 6 o'clock, but the morning commute's probably wet, temperature only near 60, and then it will be cool and sunny Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Have a great day, everybody.